Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again for another tutorial. So for today's video, I will be doing a Spring Has Bloomed video using Uncle Funky's Daughter hair products. So I'll be doing a full wash day, showing you guys how I wash and style my hair using Uncle Funky's. So in the winter, we do our protective styles. We make sure our hair is super hydrated and compact with heavy creams and gels. And then in the spring, we let our hair down and just let our curls work their magic. For all the growth that has happened in the winter, we just kind of unleash our curls and let them, you know, be in the warm spring and summer weather. So I'll be styling my hair in flexi rods on blow dried hair. So I'm just gonna bring you guys with me through the entire process from start to finish of washing and styling. So as you can see, my hair is up in a pineapple. And we are going to tackle this mane. So what I'll be using to wash is the Rich and Funky Hydrating Cleanser. I'll also be using the Richee Rich Hydrating Conditioner. So to style my hair in the flexi rods, I'll be using Midnite Train Leave-In Conditioner and Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So yeah, we are going to turn this caterpillar into a butterfly. Alright, so my hair is nice and clean now, and I didn't dry my hair when I got out the shower. It is literally like dripping and soaking wet. I have my towel on just to catch the water that's dripping, but I'm going to apply my conditioner now, and I'm going to do it while my hair is soaking wet so I can get an easier and better detangle, and it'll work the conditioner through my hair a whole lot better when my hair is drenched with water. This feels silky smooth. So all I'm going to do is just use my wide tooth comb and detangle my hair. And you see just how easy that was to just detangle this one section. So I start from the bottom, start from the tip and work to the root. Just that easy. So one thing I love about this Uncle Funky's conditioner is that it's so easy. It makes the detangling process so easy. And the texture and consistency of the conditioner has such great slip. It's so slippery and literally just covers your strands and soaks into them. And I just love this Richee Rich conditioner. Finished deep conditioning, so now I'm going to rinse and blow dry my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is fully washed, detangled, and blow dried, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the styling process. So I know I said I was gonna use flexi rods at the beginning of this video, but I can't find them. So I will be using my perm rods instead, and these will give me that same spiral look that I want to achieve. So the order that I'll be using my products is, first I'll be spraying my sections with Midnite Train leave-in conditioner. Then I'll be using Curly Magic, and then after I am done and I apply all of my perm rods, I'm gonna spray my whole head with this Thirsty Curls Curl Revitalizer just to lock it all in. So I'm finished putting in my perm rods, and now I'm just gonna allow my hair to air dry. I'm not gonna sit under a dryer or try to blow dry them. I'm just going to let my hair air dry, and I will be back to show you guys my final results. Hey guys, so it's the next day and my hair should be completely dry because I didn't use too much product because my hair is blow dried and I didn't want my hair to revert. So my hair should be completely dry by now, and I'm kind of nervous. So y'all know when y'all get like butterflies or like nervous because you don't know how your hair is gonna turn out, but you're hopeful. I'm hopeful. But I really think that the Curly Magic is really what's gonna make this style stick. And I really just used Midnite Train and Thirsty Curls to add moisture to my blowout, but not too much product because I did blow dry my hair and I do want a bigger, fuller, fluffier look. So let's go ahead and take out these perm rods. Alright, so now that I'm at this point, it's time to separate my curls and give myself some body. So what I'm going to do is I'll be using the Shining Star Hair and Scalp Elixir, and I'll just be applying a little bit of this on my fingers so that I can separate these spiral curls.